Hi, this is Wigakado. Today, I am making a pork belly burger and showing basic texturing on Nomad Sculpt. Yum, let's get started. Cut out 1/4 of a sphere for the top bread. Remesh a cylinder to a low topology which can create a bevel edges for the bottom bread. Then, subdivision it for a better resolution. The meat shape is similar to the bread, so I recycle it and add some textures by changing the alpha image. After I am happy with the meat shape, I duplicate another piece on the top and rotate it. Now, I start to model the pork belly with a rectangle box and add some textures on it like before. To achieve the belly shape, I use mask to select some the area. Then resize and extend it to create segments of the belly. I use the same method to create another. Cut it, twist it and fine-tune it to make slightly different bellies. Because the burger has so many ingredients inside, it is better to create all models first then arrange it later. So I decide to model a piece of tomato by using a sphere. I just trim it to a piece of tomato and create a curve for a natural look. For the lettuce, I just randomly cut out a plane and use the move tool to create the wave of veggies. And I decrease the brush head to make these details. Arrange the whole picture by showing all previous models. After I am happy with the lettuce model, I just duplicate and reshape a few pieces to make the burger richer. Continuing with the pork belly modeling, I duplicate these bellies all around the burger and create a double layer. Cheese is easy to model. I just add a plane and move all the corners facing down. Then, I mask the whole cheese model to emboss it and subdivision for better resolution. At the moment, the burger has a lot of gaps between the ingredients. So I add a sphere to create some sauce to fill the gaps. I use inflate tool to make the sauce shape like so, and use drag to fine-tune the shape. Sesame is also created using a sphere. Just squish it to a similar shape and refine it by using move tool. Now, here's the fun part. I fill a basic color with each model and add darker colors on top like a painting. But in 3D objects. I add some textures on the lettuce by changing the alpha image. These images are created using Procreate. I just find some brushes that are similar with what I want. Then I paint it in a square size canvas and export a PNG file for that. The pork belly requires another technique, so I paint a few lines with different colors and blend the colors by using smudge. I also add noise texture on top to make it more realistic. The meat is done in a similar way. I also add some water droplets to create a fresher tomato. Finally, I create a packaging paper for the burger. This time, I need a high resolution to create the pattern. So I subdivision it a few times. Then I use paint tool and select the logo I already made on Affinity Designer. Then I change the alpha to completely white and set falloff to completely fill it like so. Because I want to make a pattern, I change the tiling number from 1 to 6. Then I draw one line to another to create the pattern. I do take some time to practice how to draw the same angle with the other lines. My suggestion is to remember to not change the distance when you draw all the lines. Otherwise, the size will change. Alright, let's see the final result. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in this topic, please consider to subscribe for more related videos. Alright, I will see you in the next video.